Welcome to our app, CampusConnect, which is a comprehensive utility for academic and campus need for the students. So here is the introduction of our app, CampusConnect. First of all, we are four members in our group: Mann Mehta, Ajay Odedara, Anshul Patel, and myself, Vraj Contractor. So the purpose of our application is that it serves as a centralized platform for the students, allowing them to manage their academic tasks efficiently. The app tackles the real issues like finding events, navigating through the campus, tracking GPAs, and accessing resources conveniently. Campus Connect includes vital features such as authentication system, event calendar, study group manager, campus map, GPA calculator, profile management, and resource library. These are our key functional modules. These modules collectively enhance student engagement and academic performance. So next I will pass on to my friend Anshul Patel.
Right. So myself, Anshul Patel, and I'll walk you through the app architecture of how we have designed the application. It uses a normal MVC pattern, which is model view controller architecture, separating data handling from user interface. This organization enhances maintainability, allowing developers to modify the UI independently from the underlying data logic. For the UI design on the user interface of Campus Connect, it's sculpted using storyboard, ensuring a cohesive layout across modules. Custom layout elements such as tables and forms promote ease of navigation and interaction for the users. And this snippet shows a map of how we have mapped and designed our storyboards for the application. And for the data persistence in Campus Connect, it is managed through core data and SQLite. User data such as profiles and course details are securely stored and accessed, ensuring quick retrieval and reliability in user sessions. Now I'll pass on the stage to Man to discuss the key features for Campus Connect.
Hi guys, my name is Mann Mehta and I'll give you the information of core features of our Campus Connect. There are six core features: authentication system, campus map, event calendar, resource libraries, study groups, and GPA calculator. Let's move towards the first feature, which is authentication system. The authentication module ensures secure user login and registration through SQLite. User data is validated via email password matching with successful login, utilizing user defaults to maintain session data for seamless user experience. Let's move on to second feature, which is event calendar. The event calendar consolidates campus events, allowing user to filter and search through dates. Each event can be added with specifics like title, date, location, and enhancing user engagement with core data storage. The third feature is study groups. Campus Connect facilitates the creation and joining of study group based on core feature naming and student availability. This feature keeps an updated list of groups using core data to ensure real-time synchronization. The fourth feature is Campus Map. Utilizing map kit and core location, the campus map displays essential location at Sheridan College. It features user location tracking, search capabilities, and navigational direction, enhancing campus navigation. The fifth feature is resource library. The resource library allows the user to upload and manage documents via document picker. All loaded files are stored in core data, creating a systematic approach to access academic resource. Let's move to the last feature, which is GPA calculator. The GPA calculator enables students to track their course grades and compute GPA based on Sheridan grading standards. User can add codes while seeing instant updates to their GPA. Now I'll pass on to Ajay to walk you guys through development process.
Hello guys, my name is Ajay and I will walk you through the development process of our application. So now first let's talk about the technology we have used to develop our application. So we have utilized Xcode 15.4 as the main development environment while UIKit facilitates the UI design. The key integration included MapKit for the navigation and core data for structured local data storage, ensuring robust functionality. So now let's move on to the UI and the storyboard design. Core UI design was achieved through storyboard creating a clean and intuitive interface. Collection view cells were used for modular layout and auto layout constraint were ensure the visual consistency across all the devices. So we have also used the testing and functionality checks in our application. Through testing was conducted for all modules to ensure data saving and loading functionality as well as seamless navigation. Test cases include edge case validation and layout responsiveness on various devices, validating the app structure. So during the application, we have overcome through the many challenges like development phase challenge such as extracting user data from SQLite to profile using user default and implementing custom pin annotation in the map kit. Overcoming layout alignment issue require persistent refinement of the interface. Now let's summarize our presentation. So the development process for Campus Connect involved integrating various technology to create a cohesive user experience. A focus on through testing and overcoming development challenges resulted in a robust current utility app that meets user needs effectively. So now let's move on to the demo of our application.
Now we will demo the user register. Okay, so this page will take the details like the full name of the student, student ID, email, password, and password confirmation. So one of the highlights of our app is that our app is hybrid use of SQLite and core data. So we mainly used SQLite for authentication, storing and validating registered users. It ensures the lightweight and secure local login capability. Okay, so user has successfully registered in the application. Now we will show the demo of the login page. This page will take the email of the student and the password that they have used during the registration page. Okay, so now user is successfully logged in into the application.
Dashboard is the main navigation hub of the Campus Connect app. It features clean grid based UI design using UI collection view with custom cells. Each card on the dashboard represents a module like event calendar, campus map, study groups, GPA calculator, and more. These cells are styled with rounded corners, icon-based images, and label text that dynamically links to the respective view controller via segues. The layout is responsive, allowing 2 cards per row, and all interactions are handled through delegate functions. We also implemented spacing and cell sizing using UI collection view delegate flow layout to maintain a uniform appearance across iPad screen sizes. This dashboard simplifies user experience by offering one-touch access to any functionality. Now let me walk you guys through study group. So here user can search the study group. They can also click on the study group and join the group, and they will be notified that they have joined. Once they go back and check, the group has been updated from 2 out of 6 to 3 out of 6 members. They can also create their own group by just entering the group name. They can select the date and time. Now they can select the size, maximum number for maximum members, and create the group. The study group module uh, also supports collaboration and communication um, on campus, helping students easily find peers in similar courses and schedules. This entire structure is managed with a core data entity called study group, making it full persistent across the session. Now let's move towards the GPA calculator. The GPA calculator helps students to track their academic performance is across all the courses. Here student can enter the course name. For an example, let's just enter elective. For grade, let's just enter 89. And let press. As you can see, the GPA has been calculated on the basis of all the four subjects. Here, by clicking on the subject, you can also see the course details. So now we will move towards the event calendar.
Hi, so now myself Anshul Patel and I'll guide you through the whole event calendar settings. We'll start. We'll first add an event. Yeah, so now we'll just enter an event. While this is going on, we'll enter an event. While this is going on, I'll walk you through the structure of how I have created the events. For the structured data of courses, events, and study groups and upload resources, we have used core data, which gives us the flexibility to model relationships and persist data seamlessly in the background. Each core data entity like course, event, study group, and resource was modeled to reflect real life use case like tracking grades, group sizes, or file uploads. So I'll just add a location. This VM, and I'll add a small description. $10. Yeah, and I'll just add this event. Yeah, so now if I go to the other date, I can see the events on that specific date. If you go ahead, I'll just see this, and then if we add an location to it, we can also see the location for that. And so for the location, we need to enter a proper specific location in the description to get the location, and once we enter it, we'll actually get the proper location in the map. So I can go ahead and RSVP over here. So I'll be RSVP'd for the event. I can share this event to anyone. So once I click this, take time. Yeah, I can share the event to anyone with iMessages or any other application, and I can also add this using the Add to Calendar button. We'll go back. Uh, uh, this was another. As you can see, there was a specific location entered in this one, so we have also get the location for this. We'll go back. Now I'll walk you through the campus map. So this is the campus map, and if you search anything, it will guide you through that. So let me go through what it works on while giving the demo. So campus map is a mix of is hybrid of MapKit and co-location. The campus map module uses MapKit to display fixed pins for buildings like the library, cafeteria, and all the wings in the Sheridan College, specifically Davis campus in this case. For the We have used core location to fetch the user's current location and built in MK directions API to draw walking directions for the user to selected buildings. The app even calculates and displays the ETN distance using Apple's native routing engine, as you can see over here. So that's it, and we can navigate through it. So that was a small representation of our map screen. Oh.
Yeah, so now let's move on to the resource library. In the resource library module, we have implemented the UI document view controller. This allows user to browse and upload the document like PDF or text file from the other device like this way. These documents are then saved in the metadata into core data and so in the table view, and also we can open it by clicking on that. Now let's move on to the profile. Yeah, so in profile we are fetching the detail from the user login, and also from here we can change the name of the username by clicking on the edit. Yeah, so just by this we can change the name of our profile. So thank you for listening our presentation, and if you have any questions and feedback are appreciated. Team Swift Campus Solution welcome any inquiries regarding the development and functionality of Campus Connect. Thank you.